Yes, welcome to the Catalyst Swarm After Town Hall. Here every week after the IoT Town Hall. We got many more town halls happening all around the world in the virtual space, which is right in front of you as you are here. Check out this link. catalystswarm.com/building communities to get access to the Zoom invites, or Discords, Telegrams, lots of ways to connect with the people in these town halls. Check it out. All right. Also, got different community events. Here's some fairly regular and recurring ones. Gimbal Labs Playground, 1800 UTC on Tuesdays. Cardano for Climate. Go check out their Discord and announcements for their events. And Swarm sessions on Saturday. There will be a few SIP 1694 governance workshops coming up in the future, potentially on those dates at a Swarm session. And Lido Nation hosts Twitter Spaces on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 3:30 a.m. UTC. You can find more information to get in contact with these communities at the website catalystswarm.com/building communities. Cardano Catalyst Women have a recurring call. I think it's the third Thursday of every month. Check out their website and the announcement channels for access to that. Innovatio community. These guys are innovators and builders on Cardano and here to help you discuss and think tank some of your ideas. Check out their newsletter and scan this QR code to join their community. If you want to host a breakout room here in the Catalyst Swarm After Town Hall, scan this QR code. This is a way to share your ideas with the community and catch people who come to show up to hear these IOG announcements and are going to have extra energy to come check out your project. So fill out this form and sign up. We are also trying to start an event calendar. This is the same form as the breakout room calendar, and we've actually created a shareable Google Calendar with some of these events that you can subscribe to that calendar and get links. This is a work in progress. We're working on making sure we can add dates, and we'll be hopefully in the coming weeks getting some automation set up so we can add we can incorporate other people's calendars into this calendar, etc. We've got to figure that out. If anyone's interested in helping out, please DM me or drop in the Swarm Discord server. And to the events today. We got 3 breakout rooms, DAO's Heart Cardano updates and SIP 1694 workshop with consents. And this is hosted by Harsha. They're also Newman is co-hosting in there, and he told me that if you want to talk about these calendars, after their updates, they might have some time to discuss that in this breakout room. So swing in there and check it out. We got Sala de Cafe, hosted by the Cardano Hispanic and Portuguese community. Old faithfuls here every week. Appreciate you guys. And we got Session Cruz with his DMU presentation on his music rights protocol. And as always, we got additional spaces for you. Open room 1, 2, and 3. If you're in the chat, talking to somebody in the DMs, and you want to take it face to face, please do so. That's what these rooms are for. And with that, thank you, and back to you, Danny.